Hey guys, I came out to film and it was so hot and I was like, I cannot stay in this room for so long, like for that long and long enough to film a makeup video, and also I can't put makeup on when it's this hot. So today we are going makeupless, but I'm doing my last advent calendar unboxing. So this is the third calendar unboxing from the Body Shop. This is the middle one. This one's called the big advent calendar. And this one is $160. Just to give you guys a little bit of a recap, the first video that I did was the most expensive one, and that was the $250 one. That was the ultimate advent calendar. The next video I did was the little purple one, and that was the like cheapest one, and that one was $100. And now we are doing the middle one. I know I've done them in a really bad order, but anyway. So this is what the second one looks like. So yeah, this is $160. This is the Body Shop Big Advent Calendar. And we are going to unbox it together today. I really need a thumbnail, so I'm just gonna like, I can't be bothered turning my camera off to take it. So what I'm gonna do is be like, and then I will screenshot that from the video. Alright, let's get started. I really like the setup of this one. And the little cartons, or like little boxes, are so cute. Alright, let's find number one. Okay. Number one says millions of people all over the world are homeless. Help those in need by volunteering at your local shelter this Christmas. So I don't know if it'll say the same things as what the third one did, like the most expensive one, but anyway, we'll soon find out. Oh, so the first thing we have is the coconut hand cream. Very nice. Now, judging by this calendar, most of this should go in giveaways because I feel like by this point in time I have pretty much, I'll get like double ups of everything, but anyway, that's works out well for you guys. And yeah, anyway, oh yeah, I feel like this one says similar things, but anyway, don't buy a tree, do good for the planet and decorate your favorite house plants. This is number two, and number two is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. It just looks like that. Alright, number three. Where is number three? Oh, here we go. Number three is really cute. It's got like a little pudding on it and a little... Oh no, the little pudding's caught on fire and they're like extinguishing it. This one says, put a little gift back into this box, now give it to someone awesome. And this one is a little loofah. Can never have too many of these. I actually need to change mine over right now. My one in the shower is like, yeah, just gone. So anyway, all right, number four. If I like invented an advent calendar, I'd be so worried that I'd miss a day, you know, because you know when you're looking through the calendar and you can't see, like you can't see it and you swear it's like not there. I'm worried that I actually would not put a day in, if you know. Anyway, this one says Female homelessness is believed to be even higher than statistics report. Break this cycle today. Let the local services know if there is a homeless woman that they can help. And yeah, this is day 4. In day 4, we have another, what's this called? Nail file. On one side it says, give me a hand, and on the other side it says, I like the way you smooth. So that's how it looks. Day 5. Okay, day 5 is like a little snow globe, and it's got Santa and his reindeers, which is really cute. I don't know if you can see that. This one says, don't buy decorations, upcycle some weird and wonderful trinkets to hang on your Christmas tree. And day number 5 is a coconut lip butter, which I got in one of the last calendars, so that can go in the giveaway. Number 6 is really cute. It says Christmas Jumper Champion. Looks like that. Very sweet. It says give a homeless person more than money, give them a smile and a hot drink instead. And this is another mango shower gel. I've already got 2 of these, so oopsies. Number 7. Are we up to number 7? Was that number 6? Yeah. Number 7 is just a cute little Christmas tree. This one says spare Christmas jumper or toasty clothes, give them to a homeless person today. And this is another one of the banana shampoos. So that will go in a giveaway as well. Number 8 says pamper while you watch your favourite Christmas movie together, and this one's really cute. It's a little snowman. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. I can't remember if I got this one in the big calendar or not. Because I got one big mask, but I can't remember what it was. And then I also got another like little sample size like this. This one is like a little sample size, but anyway, figure that out later. I think we're up to number 9. Yeah. Oh, number 9 is so cute. It's these little gingerbread people. The middle one's wearing a bikini. Oh, the top one's naked. It's got boobies. That's so cute. This one says, chat to a homeless person today and make that magic real for everybody. This is another hand cream. This is the Shea hand cream. Number 10. Number 10 is probably my favourite in the calendar. It's a little milk carton and he looks like a snowman. And he's, yeah, all decorated. He's really cute. This one says, access to menstruation products is often limited. For homeless women, donate whatever you can to your local homeless shelter today. Oh. Hey, I think if you put all these boxes together, it says something on the back. Yeah, because look, like, they've all got it. I didn't realise that. I want to know what it says now. Alright, anyway, this one is number 10. I'm never going to be able to figure out what they say now, but... This is a pink grapefruit shower gel. I think I already have this one as well. I don't know if I'll end up keeping anything from this calendar. Like, I feel like I might have everything that's already in here. Right, number 11 is super cute. It's a little gingerbread man on a plate, and it says, do Secret Santa with your neighbours. It's more fun than posting a card. This is the coconut bath bubble. Smells nice. I think they're just like the bath bombs. What number are we up to? What number was that one? 11. Okay, 12 is this long one here. I think this might be another like the conditioner. And it's a little, what are they called? Nutcrackers, is that what they're called? Put a present under the tree at your local homeless shelter. Oh no, I was wrong. This is the chamomile gentle eye makeup remover, which I already did get in the $250 one. Next we have number 14. And 14 says, homeless women on the streets are even more vulnerable than men. If you see a homeless woman, ask how you can help. That's a little car with a tree coming out of it. It's very cute. And this is another face mask. This is the Body Shop something coffee intense awakening mask. I feel like I already got this one as well. I don't know. Oh, that smells so good. It really does smell like coffee. But yeah, it's just how it looks there. Just another little sample size. Okay, number 15, I think. Yep. Number 15 is some little presents and a bike wrapped up in wrapping paper. It says, be a merry maverick and wish a stranger happy Christmas. This one will be the conditioner, I feel like. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh yes it is. This is the Body Shop Truly Nourishing Conditioner, the banana one. 16 is a little tree. It says, don't buy paper to wrap gifts, recycle something at home instead. This is another one of the coconut exfoliating cream body scrubs. I already have one of these right here, but I actually do really like this product, so I'll probably keep both. I don't know, I'll see how I go. 17. This one says, treat a homeless person to breakfast this morning, and this one says, have a cracking Christmas on the front. What is this? Oh, this is another one of their lipsticks. This is the, I think this is the same shade actually that came in the $250 one as well. But anyway, yeah, it's just one of their matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, next we have number 18. This one just has some little like lights on it. And it says, call someone you haven't in forever to tell them how much you love them. I think this is, yeah, this is another face mask. This is the Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. Okay. Number 9. Oh my god, I missed day 13. Oh, I'm so silly. Anyway, this one says, what's your unique Christmas tradition? Share it with a bestie. Can't believe I missed a day. I think I've already got this one as well. This is the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. Now day 19. This one says, female homelessness is on the rise. Be an activist and campaign to make your local council do more to help homeless women. And this one's really cute. It's a little doggy and I think he's broken the bauble, which is not good. This is a British Rose shower gel, which you guys know I absolutely love British Rose, so I'm very happy about that. Alright. Day number 20, it says sign off social media for the next 24 hours and spend it with family and friends. No thanks. This one is a mango lip butter. Oh my gosh, I keep dropping things. Where are we up to now? Is it 21? Yep. Oh, I think. Anyway, this one has cute little baubles on it. It's very sweet. You can see them. Okay, and this one says homeless women need more support from female volunteers and trained staff who can offer gendered support. Ask your local homeless shelter how you can help. And this one is another one of the bath bubbles. It's the pink grapefruit. It smells so good. Right, 22 is this long one. What does it say? Bake with a bestie, now share your treats at your local homeless shelter. And this one has a little cat on it, which is very sweet. And this is the Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash, so I do already have. Right, number 24 says volunteer to help your local soup kitchen prepare for Christmas Day. And this one just has, I don't know what these things are called. What are they called? Like streamers or something, right? Anyway. Wait, what? Oh my god. No, we're on to day 23. I'm sorry. Day 23 says stuff this into someone's stocking or keep it for yourself. This one is another one of the headbands, which I probably am not going to use. Alright, day number 24 now. Here's another sheet mask. This is the Seaweed Balance Sheet Mask. Like that. Alright, and then the last, this one does have a day 25. The $100 one didn't have a day 25, but the $160 and the $250 do. So this is day 25. It's some really cute Christmas sweaters. This one says, if you have a neighbour spending today alone, wish them a happy Christmas. And this is a 48-hour, oh wait, what is that, sorry. It's the almond milk and honey body butter, which has come in all of the calendars as well. So that is done now. So I feel like, I don't know, this one seemed very, very similar to the $250, and I'm kind of wondering, like, because the difference between this one and the $250 one is like a $90 difference. So I'm kind of wondering, like, I feel like I got like majority of the stuff that I got in the $250 one, so I'm wondering what, like, where that $90 markup is coming from, if you know what I mean. I really would like to do a video like comparing everything out of all of them, but I don't know if I can be bothered finding everything again, you know. But anyway, that is my Body Shop Advent Calendar series done. Overall, I think they're really, really cool. I love the Body Shop, and you get like such a cool variety of products. I feel like my favourite one was still probably the $250 one, just because it came with like, obviously like the biggest of everything. But yeah, I feel like the $160 one was really good as well, and even the $100 one was awesome. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying any of these, I recommend snatching one up and being very quick about it, because I don't reckon they'll stay in stock for much longer. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!